Hi internet, it's your girl, Natalie. So today I am gonna be staring at myself in the mirror that's behind my phone so I can actually see what I'm recording this whole time because I am a narcissist. So get used to that. A few weeks ago the crackhead jumped out. So if you don't know, I do my own nails because I'm cheap and don't want to pay to get my acrylics done all the time. So I don't really have a real reason why, I just do. Like, I don't know, it's my artistic outlet, I guess. A few weeks ago, I did my nails and I posted it on my Instagram story, and I got not one, not two, not three, you guessed it, 86 people. I'm just kidding. 4 people responded to my story asking me, no. I had 4 people message me saying, oh my god, do a YouTube video on this. I want to see how you do it, cause like whatever, I don't know, they want to learn. Y'all know I can't do a tutorial to save my life. So this is just gonna be you watching me do my nails, pretty much. So this is how we're filming the fucking video because my camera setup is fucking ratchet. So nails. Ooh, this is from AliExpress. It's acrylic liquid. Yay, okay. This fuck off. This power tool, ooh, very nice. Yes, that's beautiful. Ooh, yeah, it's a brush I bought today that I don't know is actually the right brush for acrylics, but yeah, that'll fucking do. Sure, why not? I don't care. Ooh, it's a nail file. Okay, acrylic powder, nail glue. Wait, there's nail glue in here. Never mind. Then we're gonna need this to cut the nails. This to fuck up my cuticles. Oh, and then you need a piece of paper towel for the acrylics, whatever. We're gonna start by pushing all my cuticles back. And since this is a YouTube video, I gotta do it in silence with my own thoughts. So that's fucking good enough. I don't give a shit, okay? This is why my nails break off so fast. Even if my nails break off though, it's still cheaper than going to get them done. So good enough. Okay, now we have to file the nail. That's right. No, it's fine. That's fine. You do this because then the acrylic clings on to your nail better and then won't break off as easy. You know? I fucking know what I'm doing. I put the bottom of my mouth in the frame because I'm a narcissist and I want to be able to see myself in this video. So yeah. See, if you've ever gone to a nail tech and gotten your acrylics done and you're like, holy fuck, why does this take an hour and a half? This takes me like 4 hours to do by myself because I'm usually watching Netflix and I take my time. And I'm also not a fucking professional, so just be grateful to your nail tech that they can do it so fucking fast. Because this shit is time consuming. So this angle works better for everyone involved because you can see the desk, but you can see my face too. So, okay, gotta find nails that fit my nails now. So now that we have all our nails lined up, we have to glue them on. So we're gonna do that. It's rounded at the top, and since my nails are always so short, it covers so much of the nail that like the acrylic doesn't stick to enough of it, so it breaks off easier. My bootleg ass files them down because that way more of the nail sticks out, so there's way more space for the acrylic to cling to. Just tips and tricks with me, you know. Making a mess of my beauty station. So I never do my nails at a desk. I always do them just sitting in bed, like on my laptop. And sitting here on this desk, seeing how much powder is falling off just from filing the nails, like before even putting the acrylic and filing that down, like is all over my desk. I'm like, I can't believe I do this in bed. Like I sleep in this shit, but whatever. The things a bitch will do to be lazy and comfortable, you know? So how was everyone's day going? I got blood drawn today. I didn't get bruised. Oh, I'm bruised a little, whatever, I don't give a shit. Mama ain't raised no bitch. Okay, now that they're all filed, we glue them on. I feel like I don't need to show this, so I'm probably gonna cut it out of the video, because if you don't know how to glue fake nails on, then why are you watching this video, to be honest? To look at my face? I love my fans. My natinators. Say, like, hypothetically, this account did blow up and I had, like, fans. Like, not, like, fans, but, like, supporters. Like, if I became, like, Tana Mojo and had millions of followers, what my, like, she calls her fucking fans her spray tans. What would my stans be called? You can't really do much with my name. Okay, once everything's glued on, if you look, it's not gonna focus, it's not a camera, I'm cheap, and I'm not a real YouTuber. You can't tell, but obviously, because it's a blunt edge, then it doesn't, like, flatten down with my nail or whatever. Which, when we get to the actual putting on the acrylic, is a bitch, so I file it down. It's an extra step now that saves us, like, 3 steps in the future. I'm just looking out for my future self, you know? See how much nicer that is? You can't fucking see, who cares? Okay, now that everything's flattened down, it's this part. Now I choose the length I want, which I never know, so I always just guess and go longer, and then I can file it later, you know? So, like, I go around that length, which is pretty extremely long for me, so I always file it shorter after, but it's easier to make it too long and make it shorter than it is to make it to do it too short and then want to make it longer after, you know, common sense, you know. Okay, now filing it. So this is when you choose the shape you want. Duh. I go for coffins, the superior shape. Anytimes a girl has either claws or block nails, then she's always a ratchet bitch. Like, she's always messy. No shade, all tea. Like, that's more or less the shape I go for. The shapes are shit. This is roughly my shape. We're getting close to putting the acrylic on, ladies. We're gonna start with the extra strength primer. Basically, it just, it's kind of like an adhesive. I have no fucking words to explain this. It smells so bad. Acrylic liquid into my little cup here. Thing's so fucking annoying. Shot! Yeah, so what we're not gonna do is drink this because I don't want to die. Thank you. Okay, so now is when you need your paper towel. Lay it out to the side. Take your little brushy poo and your acrylic powder. And here's where it gets ratchet. Take a little dab of the liquid, a little dab of powder till it makes a little ball, and then just fucking go to town. I try to, like, shape it in the right direction, but it never goes the way it's supposed to, so. I really just put on a heavy layer of acrylic because I file it down after. See how disgusting that looks? Acrylic is drying in my brush already. So have y'all streamed my mom's song Taki Taki yet? I've had Selena Gomez saying DJ Snake just on repeat in my head. I've just been busting a nut, like, continuously for the past 24 hours. So that's how that's going for me. Selena definitely has the best verse, and that's not even me being biased. That's just me having fucking taste. Oh, my hand's cramping. My brush broke. So things are going well for me. We're done this part. Okay, start with the base coat, the sticky, disgusting base coat. In for 60 seconds. Let's start with red. So just paint her on like regular nail polish. So since we're doing primary, it'll be red, yellow, blue, so then red will be here again. Okay, next color is yellow. I'm gonna cure this before I do the blue because I think I might scream because I'm gonna screw that up. So another 60 seconds. Now we open up our... Go fuck yourself. Now top coat. Self-explanatory. Again. Okay, and now you just wipe it off. So you don't have to use alcohol. There's also like actual products made. It's just to get rid of the tackiness on the nails. And alcohol is just like the cheaper, more convenient option. So different camera angle. Again, I know it's like the 800th time I've changed the camera angle, but bitch, I don't care. It's past midnight and I want to finish this shit. Last step is, will it focus if I do this? Of course not, it's an iPhone. It's just cuticle oil. I guess I shouldn't have changed the camera yet, but whatever, it's cuticle oil, it's not rocket science. Like, you know what I'm doing. And then I just rub it in to my nails. Again, not rocket science, like it's pretty straightforward. So this is it. So these are my nails. Pretty busted, like I want to redo a bunch of them. That is not going to be part of this video or part of this day. I'm going to bed soon. I was thinking too, like when I turned the camera off, was doing my other hand, I remember like this color is, I call it suicide blue because it's the color of the nail polish in 13 Reasons Why. So just a little fun fact for you there. Suicide blue, bitch. It's like my favorite blue nail polish. I'm the primary bitch. That was uncomfortable for everyone involved. I'm never doing that again. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you maybe learned something from me. Probably not, but a bitch can hope, right? Also, I'm not a nail tech, so if anything is wrong or anything is not like by the book, don't blame me. I literally just picked this up all by myself. Not my fault that I'm a dumb bitch. Pfft. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos whenever it's convenient for me. So I don't think I show my nails enough for a nail video. Yif. Bye.